Refinance Appraisals 101. When you refinance your mortgage, you'll likely need to get your home appraised again. Here's a refresher on the process. Your lender will hire an independent professional to inspect your home and estimate its current market value based on its condition, features, and location, as well as recent sales of comparable homes in your area, just like when you first bought your home. You'll pay for the refinance appraisal as part of your closing costs, and it usually costs between $300 and $600. There are a few reasons why lenders need another appraisal for refinances. Lenders won't let you borrow more than what the home is worth, and the property's value could have changed from when you first took out the mortgage. They also want to make sure that you've been keeping up with maintenance and preserving your home's value. It's in your best interest to have the appraisal come back as high as possible. A higher appraisal means that you have more equity in your home, which could be useful when you're doing a cash-out refinance. A higher appraisal can also help you if you're trying to reach the 20% equity mark to remove private mortgage insurance. While there are several factors in the appraisal process that you can't control, like market conditions, there are some things you can do to improve your chances of getting a higher appraisal. For one, you could improve your curb appeal by mowing your lawn, planting flowers, and power washing the exterior of your home. As for the inside, clutter, furniture arrangement, and lighting all affect people's perception of space. You can clean your home and tidy up, move furniture around, put in brighter light bulbs, and hang mirrors to give the illusion of more space. The appraiser will also have an easier time estimating your home's value if you prepare a list of all the renovations and improvements you've made and compile receipts, contracts, and permits in a file as proof. Lastly, double check and make sure everything is in working order, such as your heating and cooling systems, the kitchen appliances, and the drains in your sinks and tubs. After the appraisal is done, it should take less than 2 weeks to close on your new mortgage. If you're looking to refinance your loan, I highly recommend you shop around and compare lenders first because you don't have to refinance with your current lender. That's it for today, and I wish you the best on your home owning journey.